Development of industrial construction in Vahostav required building of our own production of atypical prefabricates in Horní Říčov. Vahostav Sk Prefa is located 10 kilometers from Žilina, and the production is under supervision of the Building Testing and Research Institute. Vahostav Prefa was founded in 1964 as a manufacturer of concrete prefabricates elements. Reinforced concrete elements with soft and steel reinforcement for water management and industrial constructions. The main Prefa's program is a production of central mixed concrete and high-valued Prefa concretes. For transportation construction, Prefa produces pre-stressed bridge prefabricates, safety barriers, noise barrier panels, or stone blocks for water management constructions. For the customers, it produces also skeletons, filigree ceiling tiles, and staircases. Prefa also has production of concrete reinforcement, and concrete plant produces concretes of different classes. In the hall, there are two pre-stressed 80-meter long tract for pre-stressed bridge beams production with variable height of beams from 1.2 to 2.1 millimeters. In one of the forms, there are in advance and additionally pre-stressed beams with the length of 30 meters produced. Those were used by construction of motorway D3 Skalite. In other form, there are produced segmental beams with the length of 40 meters, for example, for the construction of motorway by Říčovské Pohrádie. Into prepared continuous stirrup is, through steel end, entered pre-stressed cable including separation tubes using engine device pawl. After that, pre-stressed cable is placed into prepared tubes for construction of additional pre-stress. After the final control, continuous stirrup is placed into cleansed form to prepared positions. Pre-stressed armature is joined by special link and pre-stressed to define voltage. Form is then closed by hydraulic lock fixed and concreting follows. After about 36 hours, the form is opened, strength of concrete is verified, and pre-stress is released by hydraulic presses. After that, cables are cut, camber of the beam is measured, and prefabricates are moved by crane to stock. Plastic safety tubes are placed into steel flexible tubes, and those are subsequently placed into the continuous stirrup. Continuous stirrups are moved into prepared form by crane. After putting the continuous stirrup into form, concreting follows. Demolding comes after about 16 hours after concreting. Ready-made beams are moved to stock. Forms are made by combination of system shuttering, wooden socks, and chipboards. Process is comparable to the beam 1. Into the form, continuous stirrup is placed. Smithing is installed, form is closed, fixed, and concreting follows. Prefabricate is ready after about 16 hours of concreting. In Prefa, there are two concrete mixing plants with the entire capacity of 70 cubic meters per hour. Transport of wet batch is performed by high-lift trucks or by mobile concrete mixer trucks. Manipulation with concrete cages is made by bridge cranes during concreting. Prefa has facilities for cutting and shaping of steel concrete in bars and coils. After the semi-finished product's adjustment into desired shape, continuous stirrups are made by binding or welding.